This is called Thinkers Academy. In this video, you will learn example of variables, variable declaration, variable naming, conversion of variable. Variable can be converted to different data types. As you can see, the first thing on the screen is a clear example of variable. We have name equals to Ahmed. So if you want to declare a variable, string variable, make sure you put it inside a double or single quotation mark. The next is age equals to 30. This is example of variable. Is student equals to true. This is another example of variable. So you can have as many variables as you can, but this are just a few example of variable in Python. So we can have as many as possible. We have variable naming convention or variables naming rules. It is very important for you to note that if you want to name a variable name must not start or cannot start with a number. And remember, variable is a case sensitive. Like the way we see name equals to Ahmed, it's not the same thing with name and with capital letter in the name equals to Ahmed. So variable is case sensitive. We have variable assignments. How will you assign a variable? Call it variable assignment or variable declaration. If you want to declare a variable, like you can see, you can say s equals to 2 is the same thing as variable declaration. So then let's print the x. X is holding the value of 10. So when you print x, you get 10. We have another variable. Let's declare another variable here. Instead of me declaring y again, instead of me declaring x, let me declare y. Then y, I'm going to put y to be a string. Okay, then I will print the value of y. Remember, y equals to hello. So when you print y, you get hello, as you can see on the screen. So this is how to output a variable. Next, we are going to go for types conversion, which is conversion of data type. So we are going to convert from one data type to another. It is practically impossible for you to add different data types without conversion. Let's say mathematical addition with string and integer. So let's see the typical example of what I'm trying to let you know. Okay, let me declare a variable x equals to 10. I'm going to declare another variable again, y equals to 5. But you see, in this case of y is a string data type. It's not normal number. Y is not normal number. So you can't perform a mathematical operation with that. You have to convert it to integer so that it can turn to a number. Y in this case is string integer type. So you can't add x and y together. So the easiest way to do is for you to convert the y to integer so that they can all be the same data type. In this case, I have put sum equals to x plus int y, which means the conversion of x and y obtain the summation. Then I print the summation, I get 15. Let me do the contrary way to you so that you can see it is not possible for you to add integer with string. I'm removing the conversion I did. So I'm just, okay, as you can see now, we have a type error, unsupported operand type for plus between integer and a string. So you can't add integer and string together. And one of the ways for you to know that this is uh, the value is not an integer is for you to do a variable conversion. Okay, now as you can see, this is the correct way to do it. I have to convert the value of y to integer so that I can perform the simple mathematical operation between x and y to obtain 15. So, okay, so it is not possible for you to add integer and string together. Okay, in summary, you have learned how to declare a variable, the naming convention for variable, and how to convert a variable from one data type to another. You equally learn the rules or the convention of naming a variable. Variable cannot start with a number, and also variable is case sensitive.